So let me show you how to get all that data. It's made it pretty easy. What you've got to do is go to your Entropia Universe account, log in. You want to go to your items page. It's got all your junk. Take this and you select all. Do Control C for copy, or you can do this and do copy. Then you go into spreadsheet program, Excel. I use Open Office. Go into the first field, Control V. It's going to take a sec. Load. And there you got it. You take these first 20. Take the rows. You delete the rows. If you don't really care about if you care about people seeing what the ped balance is, then you go back down to the bottom of the list and delete the last 2 rows. So now this is all set. So the only thing you have to do is save as, and then we'll name it whatever you want to name it, as long as you know where it's at, how to find it, and all that stuff. So I typically name them items 12, 10, 18, and then save as, not ODS. I'm going to save as a .csv. So we've got .csv. Now save. Now it's going to ask you for a delimiter. If you go up to, if for some reason you don't know what the heck to use, I don't know if that bugged out or did I have. Oh, so I've got a pop-up that didn't show up on the screen asking, document may contain formatting or content that cannot be saved in text CSV file format. Do you want to save the document in this format anyway? And then this, I think, is an Open Office thing. You may not have this issue with Excel, I'm not sure. Open Office is free, so it'd be easy to just use this and try it out. So anyway, you've got 2 options. Click a button to keep current format or save in ODF format. What we want to do is keep current format, which is the CSV format. And then we've got an export text file option. Character set is set to Western Europe in my case, whatever your default is, and then it'll ask for a field delimiter. It's set to comma by default in OpenOffice. We want it to be a semicolon, and I'll show you here if we go to Uploads in the profile on the website. Then we can go to Upload Items, and here it will show you the delimiter that I use to separate it out, to look for. So if you ever have any questions, just go to here before you upload it, and then you set down here in the Open Office. You just go ahead and the text delimiter is set to colon, or not colon, quotation. And I don't think that matters as much, but the field delimiter is the big one, which is semicolon. So then it saved. So now I've got a new title on there that you can't see. I'm not sure. That's kind of interesting. Doesn't show the title. So anyway, that's all done. Now it's got a CSV file format. We can go to the website here. We can hit browse. We've got all our different Entropia or different documents that we want to look at. So we can go to Entropia. We've got all these chat logs. And we're looking for our items CSV. Well, wherever you put your file. And it's not showing the open dialog, but if you could see it now, it will show that I selected that file. but it's above here. It's right next to the browse. Um, shows items to 12, 10, 18, sit.csv. And then from here we'll submit. It says your item file has been imported. And let me go back to the web page. Let's see if it worked all right. Go to my items. And up here at the database we have, let me make this a little bigger. Database updated, which is today, or just now. And as you can see, everything that we just did is now up to date. So I've got 3430 entries.